Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook shortcut bar not showing. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application. And here you can see Facebook shortcut bar on the top. And if something is missing, you simply need to click on your profile on the right top, and here you can see all shortcuts. But let's suppose something is missing, so how you can get that? You simply need to click on settings and privacy and click on settings. So once you are here, you simply need to scroll, and here you can see an option of navigation bar. Click on that, and here you can see customize the bar. Click on that option. So here you can see all are auto, so it is up to you which thing you want or which thing you. So let's suppose I do not want videos, so let me hide this. Okay, and let me show you how it look like now. So refresh it. So now it is hidden. And let's suppose you are go into the settings again and click on navigation bar. Click on customize this bar. So let's suppose I want to hide this as well, and this one also. So once you done that, it will hide. So like this you can hide. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.